I'm here with the LG UHD AI UT81 4K Smart TV, and we'll find out why it could be the next big movie star. The first thing you'll notice about the TV is the picture quality, and that applies to everything you watch. Old movies, new movies, TV shows, everything gets a makeover with AI tech, and that includes 4K upscaling. Upscaling means sharper pictures, AI brightness control that adjusts to your room for the best possible picture. Even stereo audio is upscaled to virtual 9.1.2 channel surround sound with AI Sound Pro. But even without AI, 4K Ultra HD resolution gives you incredible detail, and HDR10 fine-tunes colours and brightness, which is great for movie night. And movie fans will love Filmmaker Mode, which corrects motion smoothing and keeps colours looking exactly how the director intended. Hollywood directors like Martin Scorsese endorse this technology, so you know it's the real deal. You've got super easy access to loads of streaming services on LG's award-winning smart platform WebOS, including Netflix, Prime Video, and Freeview Play. No more endless scrolling, everything is here in one place. WebOS also lets you play something on your phone and then mirror it straight to your TV using AirPlay 2 or Chromecast. And it's all controlled using LG's Magic Remote. And check this out, you can use your voice to find what you want to watch next. Martin Scorsese. If you'd like to find out more info about this TV, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.